in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a product. Okay, so we're going to come to your login page. When you log in, then you're going to go to all products, or you could just go to add new. I personally go all products and then add new here. So now, for example, we're just going to call this test dress. So we type the item in. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight and copy it quickly. Now remember, this is your long description. So now your long description is where that appear at the bottom of the image. So that is where you can go in a lot of detail for the item. This is a test dress for the videos. Okay, so now that we've got our description there, we're going to come down, right? And now this is what we call a simple product. So now a simple product, it doesn't have a drop down. In your products, your other dresses, they have a drop down where they can select small, medium, large, and extra large. This one, if it's a simple product, it's not going to be have any drop down. It's going to be one standard price. You know, like when you're buying sunglasses, you see a sunglasses and it says red, and you buy it, and it just, there's the price, add to cart. That's what a simple product is. So we could just add it as 1, 2, 3. Okay. Again, if we wanted a sale price, there it would be at that. If we wanted to schedule it, that's how you would schedule it. The time works at midnight, so it doesn't work at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. It works at midnight. So if you wanted to schedule this to go on sale, it will go off at midnight, and then it will be cancelled at midnight at the end of the day that you choose. Okay, that is how you would edit your simple product description. You would come down here. This is the product short description. Remember, this is the one that goes on the right hand side of the image. So we'll just type in here, this is a video tutorial for how to add a simple product. Now this image will appear, this write-up will appear on the right hand side of the image. Now we'll scroll down a bit. Now we've got your focus keyword, which would always be your title. So now I'm going to paste it in. Can you see now? It goes, hooray, I've got it orange. I've got some things ticked already. Now what we can do is we're going to go edit the description. So we're going to go, test dress is for the video. Okay. We're going to scroll down. All of a sudden now I've got more text. The only thing that's not correct is I've got 20 words only. That's it. So the more words I have, it will become green. Okay, and then this focus keyword will become green too. So now what we're going to do is we're going to scroll up to the top and then come over to the publish section. We can publish it immediately, or we could publish it on Friday or Wednesday or whenever you want, and it even gives you a time when you can publish it. Visible, you can make it password protected or private. So for example, if you want to add a product and then show your husband, for example, or your partner or your daughters, whoever, right, you can make it password selected, send them that link, and then you give them a password of 1, 2, 3, 4, and then they'll be able to log in and see that product and give you feedback on it. Most of the time you're not going to use that. You just want it to be open, visible to the public. Okay, so now we scroll down again. We're going to ignore this. Now we're going to go to our categories. So remember, this is dresses, so we need to put it on shift dresses. So we're going to scroll down, and now we're going to put the tag in. The tag is always the title, and then we go to paste it in and hit add. That's it there. Scroll down, going to product images. You would either click upload files and then select them here, okay, or you can just go media library if you've already got them. So we'll just choose this one here. Okay. And remember, if we wanted different images, different angles, we could just do that. Okay. Then once that's done, we'll go publish. Once it's been published, that means it's active on the website. People can buy it straight away. Okay. So that's how you would publish a simple product. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to delete this product, and we're going to start again with a variable product. Variable product have the drop downs. So there's my test dress. So we're just going to trash this because we don't need it. We're going to come back and we're going to go add new. Okay, so we've got the procedure of how it's all the write-in and the focus keyword is all the same. So I'm going to go speed through that, and I'm just going to make this is a test dress. Scroll down a bit, and I'm going to go paste it in. I'll paste the keyword in. I'm going to do the snippet. So I'm going a little bit quicker on this one, just because we need to get to the vital part. So, but as you can see, we can scroll down, focus keyword, everything is there. We've put it in the category. We've put our tags in. We're going to choose our image quickly. Okay, there we go. So that's that. Now, this is where it comes to the drop down section. So now this is where it's going to be product data. So now what we're going to do is in this drop down, because it automatically will make automatically open the new product as a simple product, we're going to drop down and we're going to go to variable product. Now you see you've got inventory there coming up, and we've got attributes. So now we're going to add an attribute. So we're going to click add. There we go. So now this is going to be classed as size or color or whatnot, whatever you want it. This is going to be the wording that's next to the drop down. So we'll just go size. Okay, actually let's make it color. Okay, now we're going to go red, blue, yellow, and green. Okay, so now we're going to visible for the product page. Yes, it has to be, and then user variation. Now variation is where we'll add all our product, add all our pricing. We're going to go save attributes. Okay, now we've done that. Now there are our attributes right there. So now what we're going to go do is variations. Now we can't. Now there's no variation. So what we'll do is you can either create variation from all attributes or add variation. We'll go click on this one, go. Then it will 50 per page. So we're going to go yes. Now what it will do, it will actually add the 4 variations for us. So we don't have to add them one at a time. So if you want them in a different order, you'll just see that little, looks like a little menu. You can just drag them in any order you want. Okay, so we just open up here. We can put our stock in 300, a price. We put it on sale for 150. In stock, the weight, description. That's it. And we just do it like that, same, just like that. Okay, do the same thing here. This one is 500 and the sale price is 450. Okay, hit save changes there and click publish. Once it's published, everything will be fine. Everything will be loaded. There we go. Everything is working. Then if you go to the front end of your website and you go to where all your other addresses are, you will see that your item would be there. I would suggest do a test dummy, a dummy product. Sorry. Do a dummy product and then play around with it, break that one, see what it does and this and that before you do any main dresses. So you get a bit of a feel of it, because you don't want to do 5 or 6 dresses and then go, oh no, I made a mistake, I've got to redo everything. So play around with the system, and then if you don't want the product to appear, then all you do is you untick that. Even though you've published it, on the back end you'll be able to see it published, but on the front end no one will be able to see it. Okay, but that is how you would add a simple product and add a variable product.